Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log into Freedom Mortgage account. So if you also want to log into Freedom Mortgage account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. Here you can see I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type www.freedommortgage.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Freedom Mortgage. Here you can see several options: buy and sell, refinance, rates, resources, account, about. If you want to log into your account, all you have to do is click on the login button right over here. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. This is the official login page. Here you'll have to enter your email address and your password. First of all, enter your email address. If you have forgotten your email, you can click on the forgot email button right over here. Now enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have forgotten the password, you can click on the forget password button right over here. Now after you enter your email and your password, all you have to do is click on the login button that you can see right over here. After clicking on this login button, you'll be logged into your Freedom Mortgage account. So that is how you log into your Freedom Mortgage account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.